Wait, what's... Oh, that's me. I was like, what is that? Definitely lost track of where I was at. Oh, and it did increase the time of the timer. Is that a bag? I'm trying to figure out what that was like. If it's a bunny, that's a big ass bunny. It was not. Oof! That was close and I didn't even notice. Still chilly, man. See, the branches are sneaky, man, because it's, at least on these trees that you still see the leaves, but on the ones that don't anymore, little sticky branches, you can't see where they're at. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Yeah, batteries are definitely not doing well. See, the problem is that if one of them is going, it's gonna be hard to start noticing which one is the... I mean, other than the puffiness, I don't know how to test them in a way. So I can at least put good ones in pairs and the bad ones aside, and if I want to have another couple flights, even if they're shorter ones, get the pairs of crappy ones. Huh. That's better.